Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn degrees of comparison in grammar. See, in degrees of comparison, there are three degrees, okay? Positive, comparative, and superlative, okay? To learn degrees of comparison, we must know adjectives, okay? As you, all of you have studied adjectives, okay? You know that, okay, how to use in degrees of comparison. Now, let us see few examples and then we will study the degrees of comparison. Okay, so there are three forms for each and every adjective. First one is positive, and then second one is comparative, and third one is superlative. Okay, see, for example, tall is the positive form, taller comparative form, tallest superlative form. Okay, let us see a few more examples. Short, shorter, the shortest. Okay, and nice, nicer, nicest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Funny, funnier, funniest. See, suppose when we are not able to form comparative and superlative form of adjectives just by adding suffixes, okay, immediately for comparative we have to use more, and then for superlative we have to use most. Okay, see, then we can't, okay, form comparative and superlative form using the base form. Okay, immediately we have to use more for comparative and most for superlative. Okay, keep that in mind. Then in adjective also there are uh, irregular adjective. Okay, why they are known as irregular? See, when we form, see, as we have seen, a tall, taller, tallest, just by adding er we can form comparative and est superlative. But there are some adjectives, okay, for which we have to use new forms. Okay, for example, good, better, best. Okay, see, in this all the three forms are different. Okay, uh, here we cannot form the comparative and superlative form just by uh, using suffixes to the base word. Okay, that's the difference. That's why they are known as irregular adjectives. Okay, for example, bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. Okay, for much also you have to use more, most. Okay, and for then farther, farthest. Okay, all of you know that there are three degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay, we use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. Okay, see, when we want to describe or qualify a person, okay, we have to use positive degree. Okay, that is the base form of the adjective. Okay, for example, LeBron James is tall. See, the here the word tall, the adjective, it describes about the person James. Okay, LeBron James. Okay, then the house is big, then the flower is beautiful. See, and for comparing two things also we can use uh, positive degree. Okay, see, positive, there are three degrees, and positive and comparative degrees are used to compare two persons, two places, two objects. Okay, the goat is as white as the dog. Okay, here we are comparing goat and dog, and we want to say that both are white. Okay, in that case both are equal. Okay, that's why we have used as white as. Okay, see, the goat is as white as the dog. Always in a positive degree you have to use as is. Okay, as followed by adjective and then as. Okay, now let us see the definition of comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. Okay, again, see, whenever we want to compare two things, two places, or two persons, we have to use either positive or comparative degree. Okay, see, let us see the examples. Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. Okay, again we are comparing two persons. Okay, Then here we want to say that one person is taller or bigger than the other one. Okay, then see here, this house is bigger than that one. Then she is nicer than him. Here, all the adjectives, see, taller, bigger, nicer, are used in the comparative form. Okay, look at this picture. See, the jackfruit is sweeter than the mango. Okay, again, we want to compare two things, that is jackfruit with mango, and we want to say that jackfruit is sweeter than the mango. Okay, then superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. Okay, see, whenever we want to compare more than two, okay, more than two persons, places, or objects, okay, immediately we have to use superlative degree. Okay, why? It's the name itself. Okay, uh, it is very clear that there is the highest degree. Okay, superlative. That is the highest degree of the quality. Okay, then Peter is the smartest boy in the class. Okay, see here we are comparing Peter with other boys in the class, and then in the class, okay, no one is like whom Peter. Okay, that's why we are telling that Peter is the smartest boy. Then Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. Okay, the neighborhood there are so many girls, but Alice is the sweetest girl. Then the blue whale is the largest of all animals. Okay, see, we are speaking about many animals. Okay, but among those animals, okay, we want to say that blue whale is the largest. Okay, in that case, okay, when we compare a group of things, persons, or places, okay, and after the comparison, when we want to say only one thing, one place, one person, one object is the best one, means then in that case we have to use superlative degree. Okay, for example, say the snake god is the tallest of all the vegetables. Okay. There are so many vegetables, but when we speak about the tallest one, we can say the snake god is the tallest. Okay. And then in while learning comparative degree, that is degrees for comparison. Okay, there are three types. Okay, that is first one is type 1, type 2, and type 3. Okay, type 1 means here we can use either positive or comparative degree. Okay, already we have discussed that only for comparing two persons, two places, or two objects, we have to use positive or comparative degree. Okay, and while changing this, see either if the statement is given in positive means we can change that into comparative or comparative into positive. Okay, these are the two statements we can frame here. Okay, then while changing the positive into comparative or comparative into positive, we should not change the meaning. Okay, without changing the meaning, we have to transform the statement into another form. Okay, it is possible to change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning of a sentence. Okay, for example, I'm as strong as him. Okay, that is a positive form. Okay, because we have written as strong as. Okay, then see the next one, he is not stronger than me. Okay, see when we want to write the comparative form, we have to use not. Okay, he is not stronger than me. Then let us see another example. A dog does not run faster than a cat. Okay, here we are comparing two animals. Okay, dog and cat. Okay, then we want to say that dog does not run faster than a cat. Okay, then what is the positive form of this statement? A cat runs as fast as a dog. Okay, that is the positive form of this statement. Okay, now let us see the type 2 uh, degrees of comparison. See, in this, we can change one statement into other two forms. Okay, that is positive into comparative superlative or compare it into positive and superlative. Okay, we can change it in any way. Okay, but there are certain rules, okay, to be followed while writing. Examples for type 2. Okay, see here in type 2 we are speaking about a group of persons, places or things. Okay, and in that we want to say that only one is the best one. Okay, நம்ம வந்து டைப் 2 டிகிரிஸ் ஆஃப் கம்பேரிசன் எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு குரூப் ஆஃப் பர்சன்ஸ், பிளேசஸ் அல்லது திங்ஸை பற்றி பேசுவோம். அதில் ஒன்று மட்டும் தான் பெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது நம்ம வந்து டைப் 2 யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, now let's see the examples. Say in positive degree we have to, in type 2 we have to begin the statement using no other. Okay, no other democracy in the world is as large as India. Okay, see here we are comparing the democracy of India with all other countries, and we want to say that no other democracy, okay, no other democracy in the world is as large as India. Okay, see, beginning the statement with no other, and then after that you have to use in positive degree as adjective and as. Okay, that is the pattern for writing a statement in positive degree. Okay, then how can we write the comparative form of this statement? Okay, see, whenever you change the in type 2 statement, especially a statement given in positive degree into comparative and superlative, always you have to begin that statement with the noun. Okay, that is here the noun is India. Okay, first you have to begin your statement with that noun. Okay, now let us see how we can write this statement. India is larger than any other democracy in the world. See, India is larger is the comparative form. You know that. Okay, after that we must write than. Okay, that indicates the comparison. Okay, then any other. See, note this word any other, we have used in this sentence any other. Okay, because we want to say that India as the democracy is the largest one. Okay, that's why we have written any other. Okay, in superlative degree India is the largest democracy in the world. Okay, India is the largest. Okay, superlative degree means you have to use the, and after that you have to write the third form of the adjective. Okay, large. See, positive degree large, comparative larger, and superlative largest. Okay, the largest democracy in the world. Okay, next we are going to see an example for type 3. Okay, see, in type 2 and type 3, in both cases we are comparing a group of one person with a group. Okay, here also we are going to do the same. ஆனால் இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும் என்ன வித்தியாசம் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ டைப் 2 டைப் 3 அப்படின்னும், இப்போ ஒரு பர்சனை வந்து ஒரு குரூப் ஆஃப் பர்சனோட கம்பேர் பண்ணுறோம், அல்லது ஒரு பிளேஸை நிறைய பிளேசஸோட கம்பேர் பண்ணி, அப்போ அது வந்து நம்ம அதில் அவங்க தான் அல்லது அந்த பிளேஸ் தான் பெஸ்ட்டுன்னு சொல்ல வரோம். அப்போ இந்த டைப் 2 அண்ட் டைப் 3க்கும் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் கேட்கலாம் இல்லையா? என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், நம்ம வந்துட்டு ஃபஸ்ட்டு டைப் 2ல வந்து ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல உள்ள ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டா அந்த கிளாஸ்ல ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான் பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா ரியாஸ். ஓகே, ரியாஸ் இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் இந்த கிளாஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, இப்போ அப்படி இல்லாம ரியாஸ் மாதிரி வந்து இன்னும் 2-3 பேர் பெஸ்டா பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றாங்க. ரியாஸ் இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரியாஸ் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க் வாங்கியிருக்காரு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, அதே மார்க்ஸ்ல இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, ஒரு ஒன் மார்க். ஓகே, இப்போ அவர் ரியாஸ் வந்து 98 வாங்கியிருக்காங்க, 97ல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, அப்போ அவங்களும் பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் இல்லையா? அப்போ நம்ம வந்து அப்படி சொல்ல வரும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா டைப் 3 யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இப்போ ரியாஸ் மட்டும் பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ல ரியாஸ் மாதிரி வந்து ஒரு சில பெஸ்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க கிளாஸ்ல அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லணும் போது டைப் 3 யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா டைப் 3க்கு உள்ள ரூல்ஸ் கரெக்டாக நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஓகே, here always we have to begin the statement in positive degree with very few. Okay, very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai is a big city in India, and with that city, okay, we are comparing other cities. Okay, and after that, okay, we want to say that there are not so many cities, but there are few cities, okay, like Mumbai. Okay, then in that case we have to use this pattern. Okay, see, always you begin your in type 3 begin your statement with very few. Okay, very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. Okay, then what is the comparative form of this sentence? Mumbai is bigger than many other cities in India. Okay, see, Mumbai is bigger than, bigger comparative form. For that we have to use than for comparison, and then we are comparing Mumbai with many other cities. Okay, that's why you have to use many other cities in India. And then Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. See, when we use one of the biggest, it is in superlative degree. Okay. See, in superlative degree, always you have to use the plus and then the third form of the adjectives. Okay. In this type, don't forget to use one of the. Okay. Then after watching this video, kindly do the exercise given in your textbook. Okay, students. Thank you, students.